My name's Sara and I work at Cutler Salon. Blondes are always trying to achieve brightness without having brassiness. Blondes tend to lack shine, so I think Shades EQ is perfect for that. So what's unique about Level 10 is it adds shine, it doesn't dim down the blondes too much, and it removes brassiness. Putting back into the hair what you take out at the salon, so home care is very important. Using the Color Extend Blondage in between color surfaces. It'll get rid of those brassy tones. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna look at the client and talk to her a little bit about what she does every day as far as wearing her hair curly or straight, the texture of her hair, skin tone for the tone that we want, and also just placement and brighten up around her face to give her a nice everyday lived-in look. What I love about Tropez Blonde is it reminds you of the beach and just having nice, fresh, beachy highlights and a lived-in look. I think really anybody could look good in this color. You could definitely personalize the look for somebody, depending if they have curly hair, straight hair, tone of their skin, really anybody can wear it. Technically, you know, with highlights, you should come back every 8 to 12 weeks, but I always tell clients it just depends on when they think they're ready. And also, you can always just come back in and do a little gloss with Shades EQ, which will keep the integrity of the hair and keep your color looking fresh in between surfaces. Glossing is important with any color surface, really. It's also nice because it doesn't go into the cuticle, it sits on top. So it's just depositing tone, whether it's just for shine or getting rid of brassiness or adding tones that you want. So I think it's nice to just give the client a personalized color. So Redken came out with Shades EQ 10s. We have two. There is one to give you an icy look, one that's a little more creamier. They're good for any level of blondes and you can personalize it, and I'm super excited to use it on all my blonde clients.